Welcome to my channel. It is 6:52 in the morning, y'all. And I'm up and at 'em, and I don't know why. Because I'm off today. So I usually lay in, a little longer today. Because, I'll have to be at work till 10:30. But anyway, this usually be my day to, just sit back, lay back, relax. But I know I have to meal prep for this week. So that was on my mind. So I'm up. Hey. So I'm going to show you this quick recipe that I seen on TikTok. And they said it went viral. I don't know. But that's what I heard. But she didn't give me no name for it. I mean, when I was watching her, she just said what the ingredients were, which is, your ground beef, spaghetti, spaghetti sauce, Alfredo sauce, mozzarella cheese, and some aluminum foil. So that's what she said. Now usually when I cook spaghetti, I usually put bell pepper, onion in it. Didn't have any. Ain't going to the stove because I don't even feel like that right now. So I'm just gonna fix it without it. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be okay. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna show you what I've done so far. So yeah. So let's get into the meal. All right. So I already cooked my ground beef. So I got it ready sitting here. So I got my spaghetti on cooking over there. And like I said, these are the ingredients. The mozzarella cheese. Okay. I ain't got two because I didn't know how many. I was going to take one or two. And this, I have some ragu spaghetti sauce and some ragu Alfredo sauce. Okay. And this is the 24 ounce. 24 ounce, okay, so one of each. And I have my aluminum foil here. And I got my pan right here that I'm going to put the spaghetti in. Okay, so yeah, so right now, like I said, I got it, my spaghetti is boiling over here. So, yeah, okay. So you're gonna combine everything and put it in the oven. So I'm gonna go on and preheat turn my oven on. Start. All right, and put it on about 400. Because basically you just putting it in there for the cheese to melt on top. That's really all you putting it in the oven for. Okay, so where's that? I'm gonna go ahead and add my my spaghetti sauce to the spaghetti and go ahead on and heat that up. So add it in. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna stir that up. So you're gonna once your spaghetti get done, you're gonna layer the bottom of the pan with the spaghetti. And then you're gonna put your mixture right here on top of the spaghetti. And mix it around, and then you're gonna add your Alfredo sauce on top, and then put the cheese on it and put some foil on it and put it in the oven. So that's all you do. But yeah, this the ragu sauce I have, it has super chunky mushrooms in it. So yeah, I'm gonna let this heat up here. All right. All right, so right now we're just waiting on the spaghetti to get done. All right. All right, so I will be right back, okay? All right. All right, I'm back. So the sauce and spaghetti, I mean the spaghetti sauce and the ground beef, it has simmered, so it is ready to go. And also on the TikTok video, she didn't add bell pepper and onion in the ground beef, but I mean that's just what I do when I make spaghetti. So you know, I would have put it in if I had it. Like I said, I didn't want to go to the store, so. But I did add some garlic powder and onion powder and salt and pepper to my ground beef, okay? So it's ready, the spaghetti is ready, so now we finna layer it, okay? So, get my fork here. So I'm gonna put my spaghetti in the pan. This is getting looking pretty full here. I'm gonna see if I'm able to get all this in here. We'll see. I might be able to put the rest in there, but for right now, I'm just gonna put this in there. So I'm gonna move this back so you can see how this is looking. So yeah, so I got the spaghetti in the pan. You can see it's in here. So now I'm going to put the sauce into the pan. Put the sauce in here. I'm going to do it just like that. Add that sauce in there. Okay, that is it. On that. So now I'm going to spread this out in here like that. Mix it up. Yeah, I think this is gonna be enough spaghetti because I still have to put the other sauce on here and the cheese. So I'm gonna run it over and run it all in the stove. So stir that, mix it up. Okay, so I am trying to bring it over this way so you can see what I'm doing. I'm mixing it up, mixing the sauce up in with the spaghetti. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna add the Alfredo sauce. Gotta add this on top and mix it in. So I'm gonna add this on top. Okay. Put this on top and mix it in. It's the first time I'm making this. I've never made this before, so I don't know how it's gonna taste or anything. So this is my first time. Like I said, I just seen it on TikTok and I thought I'd try it because I always like trying new things, and especially if it's something quick, because like I said, I don't spend a lot of time cooking. Like I said, I have an air fryer, I have a pressure cooker, and so that's how I basically cook. Yeah. I like to do a lot of one pot stuff. Yeah, one pot meals. I guess I shouldn't say stuff, I should say meals. But yeah. Okay. I got it mixed up pretty good. Looks like. Okay. Okay. Well, I think I got it mixed in all over. It looks pretty good there. All right, and now I'm supposed to add some mozzarella cheese on top. Okay. Cheese. All right. The mozzarella on top. got 2 bags because one might not be enough. Don't like it's gonna be enough, so I don't know though. This might be good. Yeah. Yep. Put the rest of that in here. Add a little bit more to it. I think I basically got it all covered here. Look like cover these spots. So yeah. There. Yeah, I think I got it pretty much covered. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Got that pretty well covered. Alright, so I'm going to apply my foil now on it. Try to leave it kind of tinted up, I guess, so the cheese won't pull off with the foil. I'm trying to not put it so. All right, we're gonna put it into the oven for about I'll say probably maybe about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna be checking back and forth just until the cheese melt, and then you can take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven right now. All right, there it is. It's in the oven. So I'll be back to show you the finished product. All right, y'all, I'm back. All right, we're gonna reveal. Here we go. Let's see. Take the foil off. All right, there she is. All right, get the foil off. That's how she is looking. Okay, so yeah, let's cut into it. Put some on this plate right here so we can see what we got going on, okay? Cut into it. There it is. Okay. Look at that cheese. All right. So now, let y'all take a good old glimpse of what it looks like. This is it right here. It's cheesy. Look at that. It's hot. All right, I'm gonna bring the camera up now, so we finna test this out. Now I want y'all to see my face when I taste it, you know what I'm saying? So you can get the real reaction, okay? Blow it out, blow it, cause it's hot. All right. Okay. This is good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like this. This is good. It don't even, when you taste it, it makes you feel like you're not even eating spaghetti because of the flavor. Yeah. This is good, yeah. Mm. Mm. Yes, yes. Y'all gotta try it. If y'all don't like it, I mean, you know, to each his own if you don't like it. But it's good to me. All I can tell you is what I think. But you know, you gotta form your own opinion, okay? Mm. Mm. Wow. Mm. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be informed, where you always know what's going on over here on my channel. All right? All right. Well, I guess until next time. All right. I'm going to eat the rest of this spaghetti up right here. But I'll see y'all next time. All right. Bye.